In this video, I will be showing you how to create a swing tag in Canva. Let's get started. First, I click on the Custom Size button and switch my units to inches. I'm entering 2 for the width and 3.5 for the height. Then I'll click Create New Design to open my blank canvas. Once the workspace loads, I head over to the Elements tab and search for Handmade Graphics. I'll scroll through the results and select this circular, handmade, made with love stamp. I'll place it near the top, resize it slightly, and make sure it's perfectly centered. Next, I add a text box and type out small batch and sustainable. To give it a more artisanal look, I'll go into the font settings, choose a clean serif font, and then change the text to all caps using the formatting tool. I'll adjust the font size and positioning until it sits nicely right under the stamp. Now, I'll click Add Page to design the back of the tag. I'm adding another text block here to include a short story about the handcrafted nature of the piece and some care instructions. I'll switch the font to a bold, condensed style like Bebas Noi and adjust the text box width and line spacing so the layout feels balanced and easy to read. To finish the look, I'll go back to the Elements tab and search for a barcode or skew graphic. I'll add one to the bottom of the page, change the color to solid black to match my text, and center it for a professional retail finish. After a final check of the alignment on both sides, the design is complete. Now you have a professional custom swing tag ready to print and attach to your products.